What's up guys, I'm Cleetus McFarland, and if Epoxy Max is tough enough for my building, it's tough enough for your garage. We get to do one of the coolest projects of the whole thing, which is an absolutely beautiful epoxy job on the 13,500 square feet of bare floor in here. Good to have you guys back out here, man.
Always, man. How are you? Always, man. We're good, man. Getting after it.
Look at the custom shirt, George. That's how
I like that.
real deal these guys are.
Dude, check it out.
Ready to throw down some epoxy?
We're ready. We're always ready.
I love it.
Yeah.
All right, so not only are we using Epoxy Max high performance floor coatings, but we've got Jet Epoxy out here, right?
Yeah. So yeah, we got Jet Epoxy. We got Dura-Bull coatings. Yeah. They're really good installers. They're probably the best, I would say, in the country that we like to work with. So
nice.
We wanted the best for the best.
I love that.
Keep it from coming into this seam here. That's all.
Say more or less as I go.
Yep. You can keep walking a little faster.
Perfect. A little more. A little less. A little less.
Some for you. Some for you.
So now basically we'll come back later on tonight when it's all set up and cured, and we'll apply the top coat.
Okay. So
kinda
just
like
knock
you did
off
that.
all the loose flake.
Yep.
And then top coat it, and
Yep.
we'll be able to walk on it tomorrow.
That's it.
And we'll start the other phase.
That's it. We'll start phase 2.
Phase 2.
Phase 2.
We'll be back in the morning. Ben, is it time for the gray reveal?
Dude, it's time.
It's time?
It's time.
Everyone's smiling, so I feel good about it.
It's time.
All right, check it out. Oh, it looks huge. The logo looks huge. Hey, oh, it's perfect. Wow. Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
It's glassy, guys.
Oh my goodness.
It is glassy. Like none of those little spots I saw the other day are there anymore. Nice job. Hell yeah. Oh, the Bald Eagle Airfield logo. So sick. Nice job. What's up, fellas? Dang, it's looking beautiful now. It's the Bald Eagle. Come on. Come on. I love it. Holy smokes. Damn, you guys killed it. You guys killed it. Thank you guys so much. What a week. I mean, a full week of epoxy action. Holy cow. A couple long ribs, but you guys did it. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. You guys happy with it? Oh, yeah. All right, good. That's what I like to hear. I'm happy. This is so sick. This might be the coolest hanger floor I've ever seen.